Hi everybody, I'm Tara and I'm going to be doing your craft today. We're going to do the Mr. Crab craft and it's going to look something like this when we're finished. So all you'll need to do this craft is you're going to need a folder that opens. You're going to need some white paper, some red construction paper, some blue paper, glue sticks, scissors, pencil, some markers so that you could draw on your craft, and then three different size circles. So for today, I'm using a lid, a pot cover, and I'm gonna also use this as a circle. So anything you have, you need a medium size, small, and extra small size circle. First, we're gonna take the blue paper and I'm gonna draw a little more than halfway down a squiggly line. And that's going to represent the sky in the background. So we're going to cut along that line. And then we're going to glue it to the top of our paper, or the top of our file folder. So there's our sky. Next, we're going to cut out circles. So we're gonna do kind of a medium-sized circle for the crab's body. So I'm just gonna put my lid down and trace around it. And I just need one of these circles. And then on my other sheet of red, I'm gonna need 4 of a smaller size circle. So this one's gonna be the crab's body, and these are gonna be its claws. So I'm gonna need 4 of these. There's my 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these circles out. I'm going to cut the large circle out. So I'm also going to go ahead and cut out my circles for the eyes of the crab. So I'm going to use the top of my glue to do 2 eyes. Alright, so now I have all my circles cut out, so I'm going to go back to my file folder and I'm going to take the large circle, which is the body of the crab, and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to glue it down to my paper. So I only put glue on the back side that's folded. And that'll look like this. And then I'm going to take his claws, each one of the 4 circles, and I'm going to fold those in half. before I glued those on, I'm going to grab a black marker and I'm going to draw where I want his arms to go. Draw 2 lines, and then on the back of your circle, put some glue. And you're going to have one that faces up. Other one with a flap the other way. So it'll look like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, next we're going to do his eyes. And take the black marker again and draw 2 lines. And I'm going to take my white circles, put some glue on them. Glue them down. And then I'm going to go back with my black marker and draw in his eyes. The black side of his eyes. And then I'm going to come in and draw some legs. Like doing a number 7. And then I'm going to go through and just add a little bit of detail. So I'm going to draw a sun up at the top. You can draw whatever you want. And maybe a bird. Little sand bucket. And there you go. There's your crab craft. And when you're done, you can close it up to keep it from getting messed up.